Hi guys, it's me again, 3D My Life. Welcome back to another video. So basically just an quick update video on my next thing to do with the Linux 2.4 right here. So I'm going to be removing all the toolheads from here right now. This is the end head, the dragon burner, and the r2t toolhead. So we are going to be changing everything to our latest r2t toolhead for Linux Stealth, and all toolhead seems to be working. As you can see, I've printed this Spider-Man. Oops, sorry. I've printed this Spider-Man using the toolheads. It's very nice. I think I got it from Printables. So if any of you want it, you can search it in Printables. And so the next step will be to remove all the toolheads and change everything to r2t. As you can see, I've printed all the parts here for r2t, and the surprise in store for this upcoming update is this JLCMC. I've received a package from them already. I made the order and I've received the package from them. And okay, speaking of JLCMC, I think you probably know JLC CNC, since they are quite famous, I mean, on the internet, doing all this CNC machining. So I want to give a quick shout out to them. This video is not sponsored by them, but they are kind enough to provide me with some discount vouchers so that I can make my first project for Linux using that vouchers to build the parts. And I'll be honest, it's actually quite easy to make your order in JLCMC, because I just uploaded my CAD files. I choose the material. If there's any thread that you need to do, you just upload the thread JPEG file or the PDF of the thread, and you get the prices quote instantly, and it's a very reasonable price. I'll be honest, I messed something in my design as usual, you know. There's some mistake in my design, but I'm very impressed that they caught they saw the error, and they quickly emailed me and fix it fast before they do anything to to my design, so that I don't have to waste my expensive to waste my money on such an expensive mistake, that like this. So I'm very impressed with them, with their service. And the parts show up in about a week after confirmation. The parts show up in about a week. The package is this, as you can see. I've yet to quickly open it up, but everything I think should be okay, should be good. And you can now, the best part of JLC CNC or JLC PCB is you can now combine everything into one order. So it's not a separate services. Everything you can combine them. Like say you are doing a PCB, you can use JLC PCB combine with JLC CNC, combine with JLC CMC, or anything of their service. You can combine them into a single order, which is so convenient, and it makes things so much easier when you're doing a full project. So huge shout out and huge thanks to JLCMC for providing me the vouchers, so that I can get my first try on CNC for our Linux project. Alright, so I will leave the link in the description as well, and you can check them out. And I'm going to open this box later. So these are the parts for our Linux Stealth toolhead. I have released the files in our GitHub. I've released the files already as of this video, so you can check it out. So the difference is now this hot end mount is only one piece. This is the back plate, and This is the cowl. So just a simple 3-piece for the cowl, including the, I think you will need the LED holder down here and also the diffuser. This is the new toolboard mount. This is the EBB36 toolboard mount. Also we printed everything. One thing good about having a multi-material or tool changer, you can print both in multicolor. Just a single print like that, you can print both in multicolor. That's really amazing, as you can see. Hold on, let me try to focus on this. Yeah, as you can see here. So it's very easy. Everything was printed multicolor. This is the dog, as usual, has been printed, and now I have added some label to the dog as well. As you can see, this is for r2t. Don't know whether you guys can see that, r2t. So this is for our r2t toolhead, and this is for the EBB36. This is the new fan duct. I've run it through the sim I can't remember the name, sim airflow, so it has a better cooling. And this is just a simple duct which will be on the carriage. This is the same thing for the nozzle blocker and the drip tray. So everything is quite similar to the previous version. The difference is because why we upgraded to Lineux Stealth from Linux R2.1 is because that it's adaptable to end head and dragon burner, and also Eva toolhead down here. Eva, I've taken it out. I'm going to remove it. Like I said, I'm going to make everything to R2.1. Sorry, r2t. So we're going to change everything down here now. So everything will be adaptable to the new system, new Linux Stealth, whereby you can use the different toolhead if you want. I will try to add more toolhead if there's any request for it. And also I've included the puck umbilical as well. Instead of this PG7 flex gland, I've also included the puck umbilical in the files. And also I've updated the new magnet helper. So basically that's it for the update of Stealth. And inside, you can take a look inside GitHub. I've added all the CAD file, the step file for the full printer itself with all the assembly. I've also included the filament management files inside, the umbilical management file inside. So everything is inside already. It makes things easier for you all if you want to see the full printer itself. All is inside GitHub. This will be the new umbilical. Same thing here. I printed them in multicolor, and there will be an LED down here, just a simple LED, maybe to display the print progress or whatever you want to set it to. So this is for the Voron 2.4, which will have 6 umbilicals, 6 toolheads, so there will be 6. For the VisiBoard will be 5, so that will be next later. Sorry. So now let's move on to the JLC part of things, whereby we need to just cut it open and see what's in store. Okay guys, this will be the first time I'm opening the JLC CNC package, and also the first time I ever tried using CNC stuff. That means stuff that I design. I mean, the first time I used the CNC is this Vizec CNC Voron tap, and also the X gantry extrusion, X gantry bar is CNC. So this is the first of my design with CNC. And let's take a look here. Hold on. Oh, there's still more packaging. Let me try to cut them open. Hold on, guys. Okay, sorry. I don't know if you guys hear that or not, but I have to cut this thing open. This is very well packaged by JLCMC. I mean, so many bubble wrap, and that is packaging safety is definitely top priority here. So let's try to remove this one. We have one more down here. Just to remove this, let's see what is inside. Okay, so this is the, for CNC we have the carrier and the lock plate. So this is the carrier, I think. Yeah, you can see, guys, this is I don't know whether, hold on. Yep, I don't know if you guys can see that. Yes, see that? This is laser engrave, JLs from JLCMC, and oh man, this is, wow, I'm really amazed at the quality. This is a very nice quality of CNC. This is anodized in black because I requested them to be in black. There are a few options available that you can choose. They have black, they have red. Well, there are a few white color. They even have the natural color, but this is the quality of them. Oh man, I'm really liking this very much. So we're gonna put this up inside into the 5Z CNC tab, because Lineux Stealth is adaptable to a few carriage that I have uploaded. Is compatible with 5Z CNC tab, compatible with Voron CNC tab. We have our own Voron printed carriage as well, VisiBoard, and it will be compatible with them, because these are the two printers that I have. If I have more printers, I can adapt them to more printers. Otherwise, it's not officially by us, it's done by our community. So I can only do it to what printers I have, so that I can answer your questions. Whatever questions you have, I can answer them. If I'm going to make this official for, let's say, a Redrick or whatever other printers, I might not be able to answer them, because I don't even know the system or how it works. So the next printer that I'm going to be doing it for will be the ender wire that I have. So the bed slinger, that will be the next after this. So this is really nice. And let's take a look at the other lock plate. So we have the carriage, the carrier, and also the lock plate. So let's take a look at this. Let's see. I'm sorry, I'm holding the camera with one hand, so it's difficult for me to take a look. Okay, so this is the lock plate. Oh, oh man, I am really satisfied with this. Let me bring it up to the light. Yeah, as you can see, there's also the Linux logo down here, and this is the piece. So this is a very nice piece. So this lock plate will go on this down here like this. So this lock plate will go on the carriage, and this is how it will move. There will be a dowel and the bushing down here as well. And if you need to know more about this, I will explain why the cutout is like this, why it's a big hole, all this. I will explain when I'm doing my, I'm going to be doing a live stream of the build of the tool head, of the installing of this to the Voron 2.4. So I'm going to do a live stream. I just got myself a good webcam, so I can use that. So this is, I really love the quality. Thank you so much, JLCMC, for really giving me the opportunity to own this thing. So this is a very good quality. It's very light. I don't have a weighing scale right now, but I will weigh it up before I install it to see how much this thing weighs. Right, so these are the two things. So I ordered two of them each, so that I can install one on the 2.4 and one on the VisiBoard. So as you can see here, now I have two of this that I can use them, and this is very nice. Right, so I will catch you guys in another video. or do join me in my live stream. Just activate the notification button so that if I ever post a live stream, you will get notified of it. Do like this video, guys. Give a thumbs up, and also join our Discord. It's really helpful to me, helpful to the community, and also right now I'm trying to maintain this project. I'm just running it by myself now. So on the Clipper side of things, I'm not able to do anything because, like I said, I'm not a master in Clipper or software side. So the designing part or updating things like this, I am okay with it. So whatever is available right now for BTC, we are going to use that. Whether it get updated or not, I'm not very sure. So we just proceed with what we have with BTC at this current stage. And also, if you are good in macros, you can also join us to help us to develop BTC more. Maybe help me to develop BTC, and we can also make it better, because right now I think BTC dev, there is only the fail recovery is not working at the moment. I mean, you can only cancel, you can resume after it do fail recovery. So maybe you can help. If you know more things about Clipper or macro site, you can help. Do PM me in Discord or email me or whatever way lah. So alright guys, see you in the next video. And again, thank you JLCMC for providing me the vouchers for my first CNC trial for Linux, and I'm very satisfied with this, and I'm going to be installing it in the next video. Alright guys, so see you.